work for top multinational companies, it's always not mandatory for you to be from premier colleges or something like that. The performance in interview is what counts the most.
I can give my own example. So I come from a tier 2 college from Hyderabad, but I work in a team where my teammate is IIT 22nd rank. So it does not make a difference. So we both sit and get the same pay end of the day, right?
Majority of the companies, they don't put any restriction on the stream that the student is coming from.
I have a lot of friends who are from non-computer science background and they're doing pretty well in Amazon.
My academics did not prepare me like 100% for my current job role in Amazon.
I've taken 30 odd courses in engineering over a span of 4 years.
Hardly maybe 2 or 3 of them are relevant to my today's job.
And I believe that if I would have concentrated more on these 4 courses, that would help me a lot more.
Academic curriculum did give the very basic understanding that required for the industry, but it's not sufficient for you to get into the industry, or it's not sufficient for you to survive the industry.
It's the right mix of primary skills, as you have mentioned, the coding or the problem solving ability. And the secondary skills are the attitude and the mentality for getting things done, which can help achieve a particular person to crack any particular IT company.
So skills like problem solving and analytical skills, which can be learned through practice, are what primarily are being looked by companies from the recruitment.
Ideally, I would suggest right after 11th and 12th.
If you start early, the advantage you will have is you will also be employable immediately after your second year, where you can join some open source project or you can apply for internships.
So if you have enough hands-on experience on any project that you have worked with and all that, you don't have to go after companies. Companies will be the one that will be running after people like you.
Majority of the case, they don't even have any idea like what they're expecting until they reach their final year.
So the first difficulty I feel is first of all understanding what is in demand right now in the market.
While learning these in-demand skills, there's nobody to guide.
So if guidance is available in terms of mentorship or personal one-on-one mentoring, then that would help a lot. Platform like this will definitely give both awareness and the guidance at the same time, helping them to master a lot of skills that are required for helping tech jobs.
And having a personalized plan really helps, because you can choose the direction you want to go in. You can measure your progress.
Would have solved multiple problems for me. First of all, as to what is most relevant in the tech industry today, or how do I learn something, or what is the path that I take and all.
Which will help them crack any good tech job.